Jiuh-Yeh is a professional manufacturer engaged in conventional mill machines and CNC machining centers, has more than 30 years experience, upholds the management idea of quality promotion and customer satisfaction, and creates quality products. In 2014, our chairman, Mr. Xu, became president of Dali Industrial Park. We hope that we can coexist and support with all enterprises and make efforts to let Taiwan-made machine tools be sold worldwide. Our professional customer service team can solve problems raised by customers immediately. Our R&D team consists of senior professional engineers. They continuously develop high-quality products through years of experience and diligent spirit, and use advanced software such as CAD/CAM 3D to simulate and develop products meeting market demands. In order to ensure stable product quality, Jiuh-Yeh established its own machining team so that visitors can know the actual effects of our products. Jiuh-Yeh fully carries out quality inspection and test. Components made by Jiuh-Yeh and assembled finished products are all inspected. Each machine is strictly tested by precise instruments, so each machine made by us can conform to international inspection standards. Our products are trusted by customers, so we can successfully sell our products to dozens of countries all over the world. Furthermore, we also are OEM for companies from other countries like the USA, Japan, UK, Italy, Brazil, and Russia. We can supply 60 to 80 machines for customers each month through production lines at 3 factories in Dali Industrial Park. Jiuh-Yeh cooperates with universities of science and technology, builds a communication platform combining industry, government, academia research, interacts with customers and third parties to understand mutual needs through staff education and training, and creates a triple win cooperation mode, integrating enterprise, customers, and third parties. Based on the belief of take root in Taiwan, march forward into China, look around the world, and distribute globally, Jiuh-Yeh devotes itself to global development to create better competitiveness.
企业经济多年来致力于创新研发，追求卓越品质的理念，推出强力铣床、双主轴立式卧式及卧堂加工中心机，行销遍及全球。公司同仁秉持热忱的工作态度，生产流程建构标准化 SOP， 自为积极的推动工业4.0物联网及智慧机械创新研发，协助工具机业生产高品质、高科技的产品。
Under the leadership of our chairman, we will continue to make improvements and innovations to bring customers reliable service, quality, products, technology, and professional brand, and make Taiwan-made machine tools widely known in the international market.
你的正小伙伴，企业经济赞。